Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Spark 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and you'll see a couple toggles right here. Now obviously we're looking for the screen recording toggle. I don't see it right now, so I'm going to swipe down right here, and this will extend the list of toggles, and you can see it right here. So once you see this toggle, screen recorder, you can tap on it, and as you can see, it automatically starts to record. Now I did pause it right now. So we do have two options. We have the pause or play, which will resume a recording, and we have the red square, which is the stop. So I'm gonna now start recording and just open up some kind of applications just so we have something to show. Now, once you stop it, it gives you a couple options right here. So we have a folder, settings, and close. Folder will take you to basically a location where you have strictly just screen recordings, though you can also access this by going into your Photos application and navigating into the albums once it loads it up, or a library. There we go, library. And in library you'll find a album called Screen Recorder, and here obviously you will see just screen recordings that I have captured. So there we go, that's the screen recorder. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.